मैं सुभाष शर्मा आज 10 सितंबर को आप लोगों के लिए ला रहा हूँ हिंदी दिवस। ये हिंदी दिवस मैं इस समय बोल रहा हूँ 344 सेंट किल्डा रोड, इंडियन कॉन्सुलेट जनरल, और यहाँ पर हम मना रहे हैं आज हिंदी दिवस। मित्रों, हिंदी भारत की कामकाज की भाषा है और हिंदी को राष्ट्रभाषा के रूप में स्थापित करने का हमारा प्रयास बहुत दिनों से चल रहा है। हिंदी एक ऐसी भाषा है जो हम सब भारतीयों को जोड़ती है। वो किसी भी प्रांत के हों, किसी भी देश के, किसी भी जात के हों या किसी भी धर्म के हों, और देश को आवश्यकता है एक ऐसी भाषा की जो हम सबको जोड़ सके। क्योंकि भाषा जो है वो किसी भी संस्कृति को प्रदर्शित करती है और साहित्य को प्रदर्शित करती है। इसलिए आप आएँ और हिंदी का जो पर्व है, जिसको हिंदी दिवस कहते हैं, मनाएं। यद्यपि हिंदी का पर्व और हिंदी दिवस 14 सितंबर को मनाया जाता है, लेकिन हम यहाँ पर मेलबर्न में आज 10 सितंबर को मना रहे हैं। धन्यवाद।
I'm joined by Monica Jain, the Consul General of India in Melbourne. Today we're here at the Indian Consulate on St Kilda Road in Melbourne, and we're here to celebrate Hindi Day. Monica, thanks for joining us. Can you just tell us a little bit more about today's celebration?
Okay, thank you, and good afternoon to everyone. Hindi Day is actually celebrated on 14th of September because that was the day when our constitution back in 1949 took up Hindi language as what we call Raj Bhasha, or as the official language or national language of the country, and because it is the most widely spoken language not only within India but in the world, is second most widely spoken language. And to celebrate that day, this Hindi Day is celebrated.
Okay.
And what the celebration is here about is generally we are encouraging people and youngsters to learn Hindi or to understand Hindi. People also, we find that nowadays that youngsters who have their mother tongue also Hindi are going away from Hindi because of the misconception that they think that Hindi doesn't add any value to their education, knowledge, or otherwise in their in the economic world outside, but that's not true. If you see, last year the Australian government has mandated Hindi as one of the languages in their curriculum. And that is so because you find, as I said, that after Chinese language, Hindi language is the most widely spoken language, and India is fastest growing economy and is the most solid or out of the emerging economies, and the world is seeing that India has 1.2 billion market.
Yep.
And a growing middle class, and Indian entrepreneurship is going around everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
So people see future in Asia, and in Asia also. Right until now, maybe China was the center of attention in economic terms, but India is surely catching up, and they find that these two economies will rule the world, or all the business or whatever center of business would be. That's in these two economies. So that is why Hindi, for that reason also, is becoming very important for other countries or a person from other countries to learn this language. Yeah. So we are here to anyway promote, at least among Indians, that they should not forego Hindi and they should continue learning Hindi.
Great. Well, thank you very much for the insight. Now I can see we're about to start behind, so we can expect some singing and some dancing and some good old-fashioned Hindi celebration. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. There'll be a lot of singing, dancing, some bit of talk in Hindi, and a lot of interesting things, and after that some refreshments.
Yeah. Okay, great. Well, thank you very much, and all the best for the celebrations.
Thank you so much.
हिंदी हमारी मातृभाषा, हिंदी मेरी पहचान है, हिंदी हमारी आन और हिंदी हमारी प्राण है। जो कोख में सीखी बला, उससे बड़ा क्या ज्ञान है। जिस शब्द से माँ को पुकारा, उससे बड़ा क्या नाम है। हे मातृभाषा तुझको मेरा नमन और प्रणाम है। हिंदी हमारी आन और हिंदी हमारी प्राण है।